Okay, we're going to dig into the hiring source report, which is found under the Reports tab. If you click on the hiring reports, you will get the hiring source report. And here you have actually a pretty comprehensive report. You will see hiring stats across the top of the screen. This includes the number of page views, which is the total number of page views by candidates for jobs that you posted. So when candidates look at your jobs online, especially from your own careers page, we know that and we track that here. It includes the conversion rate, so the total number of candidates in the hired stage divided by the total number of job applicants. So this will typically be pretty low. The average days to hire, so we'll track how long it takes you to make a hire on average and how many people you've hired, or at least who you've brought into the hired stage of the pipeline. We also have these reports down below of the sources. So we track if your candidates come from Indeed, Glassdoor, or Nuvu, which are the 3 job boards that we have integrations with and post to. We also track the candidates from your own careers page as well as manually added candidates. And then we show them in graphs here, and you can hover over to see how many fall into each category. We also will show a graph that looks something like this to show from each of these categories where are you getting your candidates and how frequently are they coming in from each of those sources. So we try to provide you a nice outlook and overview of the health of your hiring process in the hiring source report.